Smurf, you know the them bugger. Alright. Slap shot in a belly, watch the head turn. Why red run, go jam up in a smarty girl.
Welcome again, viewers and subscribers to The Trendy Dancehall. So we are going to kick off the review today with the Intence Jet Life with him new release called Fire First, Zimmy. But naturally, I don't know, but I ask all new viewers and subscribers to just subscribe to the thing, Zimmy. So we are kick it off like this.
Work like a big body gal at work. Them no sell it, should have bigger Bible go to church. Me no plan for that, no. Fire first. I'm a teacher dog like they never learn.
Nah, man, Intence, yo. I don't even know what to say about the bar there, right? So, you see me, them take a work like, you see me a big body gal at work. People, I open a year ago, you know. You see me, a mad lyrics, a song, you kick in the punch, everything connects so far, you see me. Yeah, man, I don't know which school him go, but the teacher them never learn. But anyways, see what I go on. Dog wicked, the man said them no sell, you should have beg a Bible and go to church, you see me. Simple and plain, you know, your peeps.
I'm a fling it on rapid burst. Man, I get the gal, I get the family, my dirt. Rifle badness, the thing them long, slap shot in a face. Boom, bang, bang, bang. Programmer running with a run guy.
You could have run guy, uncle. Yeah, man, people, you see me. Nothing like the badness style, turn up everything connect, you see me. So far, you see me. So, I want to say, people, is the next body song this. Subscribe and like to the Trendy Dancehall in here, you see me. If the review bad, also leave a comment, you see me. Alright, so make we jump in your side there.
Running with a run guy, hang. If I no COVID-19, kill you then a chang wang. Slap up in my tick up and the ground your head a bones. Wanna kick you, lift you up and then another round. I saw me grow me vicious, no live in a bed.
Hey people, as they pray the man say if COVID-19 no catch you, if you kill you, we are come for you, see me. Yeah man, so the man I try show them simple and plain. If that no kill you by the time, we I go to the dirt, yeah.
Hey, I'm big like when me used to eat, I'm a bigger bird at class. Slap shot in a belly, watch the head turn. Why red run, go jam up in a smarty girl. Mama to work like a big body gal at work. Then no sell it, should have.
Song wicked man people, you can go check it out over upon Intence Vivo. So, what me I go do you now? Me I go jump in at the next skit, you see me, cause you don't know the thing go. Alright, so watch you know people, dancehall artist known as Popcaan. You see me? We just say him all that trim, you see me? So I have all of the clippings and video of him when him since him recently trim, you see me? And we are going to show you what I go and steal people. So I want to think it look. You see me? Pre every one of them in here, you see me? Yeah, man, but no, it kind of shocking, you see me? So I told them I actually see it, you see me? Came across a video with him in a barber chair, you see me? I show you that video there. Look further down so you can analyze it, you see me? Why you think him could have really possibly trim people? So there you have it, people. From Poppy with the plot to Poppy with the seed, you see me? Yeah. But when I got to analyze still, you see me? No speculations are going on in it. Some people don't like it, some people say it no look no way, you see me? Although I go on in the people, I feel like I the push where mother go push out the big car. I trim, she bring him go trim, you know. Watch out one, yeah.
That is not a good way if you take the corner there, here. But you cut off corner. Use the indicator, man. Indicator? Yeah, you go on. This Rona pressure. This spaceship get idea, trouble. Is this?
Man, so from that I saw him come home looking, you see me peeps. But otherwise, I feel like, say, you don't know, people are saying take alkaline advice. You see me say, yo, here, it's it, yeah. Trim off my head, car time get dread. What a bad phrase. You see me? Himself not easy, you know, man. So G go done set some bossa trim before that, and then I'll come at the post, you see me? So my ear say G go take it to post and say, yo, Lego my style, you see me? I don't know how true that be, you see me? So me I go get the follow-up video upon that, you see me? But anybody can bossa one trim, you know the thing go. Yeah, people, so at the end of the video, this is me. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe to the Trendy Dancehall. New video each and every day, you know the sitting set out and we're bad.